PartsGeekcom reviews: is PartsGeek legit or a scam? PartsGeekcom reviews: is PartsGeek legit or a scam? If you're shopping online for auto parts, PartsGeekcom is a name you may have encountered. But is it trustworthy, or should you be wary of scams? Most people get this wrong by judging legitimacy based on website appearance or low prices. The surprising truth is that PartsGeekcom is a legitimate online retailer specializing in home and aftermarket auto parts. It has been in business for decades and offers a wide range of car, truck and SUV parts at competitive prices. You won't believe what happens next. Customer experiences are generally positive. Buyers report receiving the correct parts often faster than traditional dealerships, and pricing is usually much lower than local auto stores. PartsGeek also has a clear return policy, secure checkout and multiple shipping options. Some minor complaints involve delayed shipments or out-of-stock items, which is typical for large online retailers. In conclusion, PartsGeekcom is legit. It's a reliable option for purchasing auto parts online, as long as you verified the part numbers and read return policies carefully. For anyone looking to save time and money compared to dealership prices, it's a trustworthy choice.